Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a room tour of the Days Hotel in Mesa, Arizona. This is the king non-smoking room. This is the corner room, so it's a little bit bigger than the regular rooms, but this still is a standard room. When you walk into the room, you can see it has a sofa, has a chair, has a desk in the room, telephone, and the light on the desk has the power port, so you can easily plug in your laptop or any electronic device. There's a flat screen TV, a little dresser, king size bed in the room, nightstands on each side, pretty Arizona picture on the wall, and the nightstands, there's an alarm clock, and as you can see, the light actually has a power port on it, so you can easily charge your phone at night, which is a nice feature to have. Okay, now we'll continue the tour into the bathroom. And as you walk into the bathroom area, outside the bathroom area there's a safe, an ironing board and an iron, little closet space. This room also has a mini fridge and a microwave, as well as a single cup coffee maker, and they give you some coffee in cups. Continue into the bathroom. It has a shower tub combination, and the vanity in the bathroom. This is going to complete our room tour of the Days Inn Hotel in Mesa, Arizona. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Follow along for more videos to come. Until next time.